Ready to create an Android app? Let's dive in. Building an Android app may sound complex, but it can be simple and fun. First, download the Android Studio. It's a free tool for app development. Next, open Android Studio and select New Project. Choose a project template. Empty activity is a great start. Now, give your app a name. This will be its identity. Select a language. Java and Kotlin are popular choices. Click Finish. To create your project, it will take a moment. In the main screen, you'll see a file structure. This is your app's blueprint. To design your app, open the activity main.xml. This is where the magic happens. Drag and drop elements like buttons and text views. It's that easy. To add functionality, open mainActivity.java or mainActivity.kt. Write simple code to tell your app what to do. For example, set a button to show a message. Test your app by clicking the Run button. A virtual device will appear to display your app. Voila! You've created an Android app in just 30 seconds. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with new features. Ready to start your Android journey?